First, add a frame and resize it. Now, add a couple illustration and place it on the left side. Add the title, save the date, change the font and center it. Add the couple's names. Choose a stylish font and adjust the position. Next, add a decorative element. Resize and place it neatly. Now, add the event date. Insert lines and arrange them properly. Add the day on one side. Add the month on the other side. Type the year below the date. Add the city and country names. Finally, add an outline element for a finishing touch. And that's it. Your elegant wedding invitation is ready.